recently Trump became the president of USA. But do you know about, guys, the election process of USA? So do you all know about, guys, about the Indian process? But today I came with the USA. So hey everyone, my name is Mohit. So as you know about the three process or three branches of India. First is the legislative, executive, and judicial. The same thing happened with the USA, and this is going on. So what is the main thing in it? The legislative, the executive, judicial are the same branches, but main thing which is different, it is that the electoral college in the main thing in it. Because as you can see, there are the 538 members totally in the USA. But why? So there are mainly many three or four things are here. What are these four or three things? The first thing, as you can see, the judiciary, or before that the executive came. So in which what happened, the House of Representative, HOS, and the second thing which is the Senate. And if we conclude in the terms of India, so we can say the House of Representative as a Lok Sabha, and if we will talk about the remaining the Senate, we can talk about the Rajya Sabha. So the total members of the House of Representatives is the 435, and if we will talk about the Senate, they are 100 members. So where the 100 members, and if we will talk about the tenure of them, the House of Representatives is the 2 years, and the Senate is 6 years. But why we are counting them 538? The three is remaining, which are the USA election. The first point is that the March, April, and May 2019 they announced the process, or you can say the election announcement happened, in which they started the communication or discussion with the different kind of the people in the group. And the second thing which happened, the USA president do, in which they promote, or you can say they choose the president indirectly by the people's. First people go to the electoral college, and after that they started or chose the vote. And it's not happened in the every state, and there are total the 50 seats or 50 seats in USA, and every state has the different seats, but some seats are only one. And if we will talk about the third step is the election campaign. It's happened in the October. If we will take the example of 2020, so in recently happened in the 2020, what happened the October, the debate happened with the two things. The two more things will be happen, and in which people decide and promote their own president they want to become. And the fourth election, November and December. In this, what happened? In the, if we will talk about, take the example of 2020, so 3 November 2020, what happened? The people's go to the officially and count the all the votes. But if we will talk about that, they also meet in face to face, and after that they conclude that who is able to become a president of India. So this and more.